Oh joy! Today we're going to learn how to whip up a VLOOKUP in Google Sheets, like it's a holiday miracle. Picture a glorious list of fruits with their quantities. Let's start by jotting down those captivating fruit names and their quantities. Now, let's pretend we have a fruit that has caught our discerning eye. And naturally, the burning question is, what's the quantity of this magnificent fruit? So let's add those fields. Our noble quest? To ensure that whenever we click on a fruit in this sacred cell, the quantity just magically appears. We'll drag that quantity straight from the data treasure trove into this cell. Hold on to your hats. To achieve this, we'll summon a VLOOKUP function. Begin by typing in VLOOKUP. The first hurdle, entering the search key, which is this cell, E7. Next, we must select the range that encapsulates our illustrious data. I know, it's like selecting gifts for Christmas. Once the range is locked down, it's time to declare the index number. We're looking at column 2, so let's set it to 2. And of course, we use false for that oh-so-coveted exact match. If you get an error because, surprise, no fruit is selected, just wrap it in an if error to keep the cell blank until the fruit gods bless us. Now let's indulge in a little test by arbitrarily typing a fruit name to see if it graciously spits out the correct quantity. Behold the result! Spectacular! We got 54 because it scoured the earth for mango in the database, peeked at the second column, and unearthed a 54. Thanks for being on this roller coaster with me.